Hi, I'm Dzung, co-founder and CEO of Chipchip. Chipchip is an online tutoring platform that connects Filipino teachers and Vietnamese kids. We are now a 3-year-old company. A year ago, we hit product market fit and strive to grow. We had a strong customer base, a great product, but it was really hard for Chipchip to take off the ground due to the lack of capital. So we decided to raise money from VCs. However, raising funds from VCs is a tough game. We approached a lot of VCs, but didn't know how to convince them to put money into our bag. It's a depressing experience for me as a founder. Then I found Hi's course from Facebook, How to Raise Money for Your Company. It pointed out the challenge I was facing. The course was really helpful for me. I've learned a lot of fundraising experiences. For example, how to write an email to VCs, how to make a compelling pitch deck, or how to understand the VC's needs and expectations. I followed step by step, and fortunately, it worked really well. We successfully raised money for Chipchip. Just after 6 months, I took the course. So by this video, I would like to say thank you to Hans for your useful sharing. I strongly recommend you guys as an entrepreneur to take the course. It's valuable for you and your company in raising capital in the future. Good luck.